And you just tell them go deep like Cunningham. And you just let them OD like Lynn Bias. And that pussy so good he let his friends try it. Losing your balance. Hey, losing your balance. Hey, losing your balance. Hey girl, you're losing your balance. But hey, don't slip and don't fall. Just get a grip, my nigga. Hold on. In the back, don't lose your balance. I see y'all back there, man. What the fuck? I see yourself on her. Hey, look, I look around at my city. This is Sinville. That boy 11 years old and can inhale. In times I ride around wondering if we inhale. And why do cops love to throw a nigga in jail? I'm about to lose it. I just had another friend kill over some bullshit. The cycle's like a windmill. I had a combo with my soul. I asked it when will this shit change. He said, boy, just use them pen skills. And so I write this for my niggas on the corner. Love you cause you my brother, so I feel I gotta warn you. This shit ain't set up for a young nigga to advance. On that note, you niggas playing right into their hands. Damn, better get yourself some goals. You niggas better dream. I know the hood raised you, but it's bigger, better things. And for those that pass, I need a moment of silence. Shh. Hey, and don't be losing your balance. I hit myself in the eye and shit, losing your balance. I'm not crying, nigga, I'm not crying. I don't cry. But hey, don't slip and don't fall. Just get a grip and hold on. Don't lose your balance. I'ma fuck with her. She came to the motherfucking meet and greet. Hey, I got a thing for this little mama. She do it to me, plus her brain is for real. I'm a sucker for love, I guess. Won't catch her up in the club, cause she ain't into that kind of chick that rather rent a flick and get intimate. Say she never fuck with thug niggas, only gentlemen. Yeah, the ass is fat, but what's better is her intellect. Other men a sweater when we walk past. Can't even blame them, did the same when I saw the ass match with the thin waist, round with a slim face. Love the conversation and the kicks was like a sensei. Now she got me chillin' with her all around the clock. My homies beefing cause I never come around a lot. Keep on telling me I changed, things ain't the same. And ever since she came around, I never wanna hang. They tell me that it's fair how a chick can make me switch, but man, I can't help it, dawg. The girl got me whipped. I think I'm losing my balance. Oh shit, losing my balance. Oh shit, losing my balance. Oh shit, losing my balance. But I won't slip, I won't fall. I get a grip, my nigga. Hold on. Hey, don't lose your balance. Hey, don't lose your balance. ATL, I'm fucking with y'all, man. Make some noise.